Hello YouTube. As some people may know, Sylvester is leaving us. I think she's gonna be going. I think she's gonna go by the end of the weekend if the person who's phoned up actually wants her. It's gonna be really sad when she leaves. She's a really cute kitten. She has actually grown quite a lot since we first got her, so that's pretty cool. So stay good now. Come on. Come on. Come on. You What's Sylvester do? She loves to try and get the white things. Come on, what are you doing? Okay, you'll sit there and oh. Hey, what are you doing? Ha ha ha! I'm over here now. You can't see me. Like, oh, she loves to go under there. It's hard to get her. Sylvester, I see you. Oh, the big beast is coming. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. And as I said at the start, it's Sylvester's last few days if the owner wants to have this kitten. Alright, thanks for watching.